All AC parts play a huge role in keeping your home cool, but service valves are like the unsung heroes that make maintenance and repairs way easier. So, service valves are basically these little connection points on your air conditioning unit where HVAC pros hook up their gauges to check pressure and make sure everything is running smooth. They also let you pump down the system, which means you can safely remove refrigerant before doing any work without losing it or letting harmful stuff escape. Plus, they seal off parts of the unit during repairs so nothing leaks and the system stays safe. When you're dealing with leaks or low pressure, checking these valves first can save you a lot of headaches. If you want to keep your AC in good shape, knowing where these valves are and what they do helps you communicate better with the technician. And if you ever want to DIY minor fixes, it's super important to understand how these valves control refrigerant flow. Just remember, messing around without the right tools or knowledge can cause more damage, so always be careful with service valves. One of the biggest mistakes people make with service valves is ignoring leaks around them, which can lead to refrigerant loss and poor cooling. Always watch for oil stains or frost to catch this early. Another common issue is over-tightening the valve caps during maintenance, which can damage threads and cause leaks. Just hand tighten them and call it good. Lastly, some folks forget to fully open or close these valves when needed, messing up system pressure and causing the AC to underperform. Make sure the valve position matches the service being done. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff with AC repairs and installations. Contractors also benefit since it helps them find real work from people who actually need their services without all the hassle.